All right, so we just got like 4,000 pounds of flashcards. It is 100 degrees, 100% humidity, and we decided that this was gonna be the best thumbnail today.
I need all the wins, yeah. Ain't no L's, I gotta get it, no call and quits, yeah. Gotta keep on moving no matter how hard it gets, yeah. Better move out the way, cause I'm coming with harder hits. My head is as hard as a brick, but I'm harder than all of this.
All right, so they said this was 3,000 pounds. I think it might be a little bit more. We're gonna see how this goes after we get it all unloaded. The last one was 3,000 pounds at 2,500 cards. This is 3,000 cards, so we're gonna see what this is. Yeah, that's great. That's pretty smooth. Appreciate it. Right. We're almost good. All right, so this was 3,141 pounds. So a little bit less than I thought, but still, we got a ton of flashcards here. So I think the first thing I'm gonna do here is I'm literally just gonna get all the wrap off. I'm gonna count the boxes, make sure we got everything we need. I'm gonna check any of the boxes like this one that seem like they're a little bit damaged and make sure that all the cards are good to go. There's something coming off of this. Last time they gave us like phonics ones. I don't think there's much use for these this time. All right, so sometimes they pack these phonics posters inside the boxes. I don't know. If you want this, just comment, let me know. You can have it. All right, so I have taken everything out of the plastic wrap. We've stacked it up for the thumbnail. Now it's time to actually open up these boxes and see what's inside. So we're gonna head over to the couch, open this up, and I'm gonna have you guys come with me. Okay, so anytime we're getting a new shipment, we wanna be really careful that we actually like have what we ordered. So we're gonna open up a few of these boxes and just do a spot check for quality control. I've gotten better at this over time. All right, I'm gonna show you what this looks like. We're gonna keep this for packaging. That saves us a little bit of money on the back end. Then we have our Chuck's cards inside. Okay, so we are going to just open up one of these sets of truck sound cards. These are actually the first sound card set we ever had designed. Like this is the real deal, right? Each set of these is over £1, which helps to explain some of the shipping costs. And I'm just gonna go through, I'm gonna make sure that there's no like printing defects, that there's no issues on the cards, and that all the letters are in here. These feel really good this time. All right, so as I'm going through, what I'm looking for is like literally, are all 26 cards there? Are there any printing defects? Do the pictures match what the letter is? Any like texture stuff, sometimes as they pack them, there might be something on them. We wanna make sure that all the cards are pristine. And this set is perfect. It is perfect. The only issue is I've already opened the box and it is no longer in its original packaging. So we are not gonna send this set out. So if you want like this truck set from the video, just leave a comment, something you liked about the video, and I'll pick someone randomly to send this set to. So what we're gonna do moving forward here, okay? I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna check some of the cards in each set. We're not gonna check every single card set because that's literally impossible. We don't have a team. It's just me and my partner here doing this, right? So we're gonna check some of the card sets, make sure everything is good. We're gonna start to get some boxes ready, start to ship this out to folks as fast as we can. This is still like, I try and explain to people and hopefully you can see this is a new business. This is a new operation. We just started doing this. And we went from selling like the first couple hundred out of our closet to selling thousands out of our garage like each month. So we're gonna get these to you as fast as we possibly can and seriously hope that y'all love them. All right, y'all, 2 quick notes before I close. Number 1, I could have lifted more of these boxes. They just didn't let me. So if you're like, Spence, why were you just standing around watching? That's what they told me to do, okay? I'm just following directions. Number 2, if you want to buy these cards, they do sell out really fast. We try and get as many orders in as possible, but they just get out the door quick. So if you want to get them, I've got the link for these cards in the description. There's also a training there for how to actually teach your kid how to read. So if you buy them, you know what to do with them. If you want to see more content like this, just let me know in the comments. This video was super fun to make, and I hope it was fun for you to see the process of all the flashcards arriving. And until next time, I will talk to you soon.